Hello friends, this is Rupali Bangale, Assistant Professor IICMR Nigri Pune. Today we are going to discuss about the XAMPP installation process on Windows and Linux machine. Let's see one by one. We have to visit apachefriends.org official site of PHP and we can download our software from here. Right now we are using 64-bit Windows machine, so I'll be downloading this software. I have downloaded it already. So let's go with the installation process. So here is the software downloaded from the official site of PHP. Let's install the same. Yes, it will ask you whether you want to continue with your installation. If you have antivirus, then it may pop you the window whether you want to continue with the same or not. So you have to say yes, and then it will start your installation. And here you can find out the multiple options like XAMPP is the server which provides you multiple verticals where you can have the Apache server, you can have the Tomcat, you can have the FileZilla also, MySQL and mail server. So many options are there. Make sure you're clicking it. Make sure you're checking all the checkboxes. It will ask you a directory where you will be installing your software. So your installation is under process. It may take some time. Now our installation is being completed. It will ask you, do you want to start the control panel now? If you say finish, then it will open the control panel immediately. Okay, this is what our XAMPP control panel. You can find out the options which are available with our XAMPP control panel: Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. Now we'll be bothering about this Apache server for the PHP concern. Now let's start this server. As soon as you click on the start button, you can check the background color of this Apache is being changed from yellow to green. So yellow, it was attempt to start, and then now green, it means it is being started. And you can check the port number for the same is 80. By default, the local host runs on the port number 80. If at all you are having IIS server running in background, that time your port number 80 will be busy for your IIS, and in that case your Apache need to be started on some different port number. Now in order to check whether my XAMPP server is working or not, or my Apache server is working or not, let's check. Type simple localhost onto the browser and check whether it is giving you the same page, home page of your XAMPP server. So that means your XAMPP installation is being successfully completed. Now let's check how the hierarchy is being followed in your machine. So you can check in C drive you have created, or installation have created this XAMPP server. Inside that XAMPP server you are having multiple folders created in it depending upon the options which we have selected while installation. So this is what the hierarchy, and now as per our syllabus is concerned, we will be mostly dealing with this htdocs folder. Here we will be having our own project folder created, and then we'll start our coding. This is how your XAMPP is being installed and the directory structure with respect to our Windows operating system. If at all few few of us are using Linux operating system, then the directory structure or the installation process is little bit different. But of course, the UI will be same as it is. So now let's go with the installation process of XAMPP server onto the Linux operating system.